everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to play Our Song by Anne-Marie and Niall Horan on the keyboard. I'm first going to show you how verse 1 sounds, and then I'll go through each individual line, and then I'll do that for every verse until I've learnt the whole song. And if you'd like to hear how the song sounds all the way through, then skip to the time on the screen. It will take you to the end of the video where I've combined all of the verses. But otherwise, here is verse 1, and I hope you enjoy the video. So for the first line of verse 1, we're playing so we're playing D, C sharp, B, A, D, C sharp, B, A, A. So again that is the second line is D, C sharp, B, A, D, C sharp, B, A, C sharp. The next line is so that one's a little bit longer. It is D, E, F sharp, D, A, F sharp, E, C sharp, the lower F sharp, G, 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 and then the higher F sharp, E. So again that is final line of verse 1 is so it is D, C sharp, B, A, D, C sharp, B, A. So that is it for verse 1. Let's play it again. Now we can move on to the pre-chorus, and this is how it sounds. So the pre-chorus is just 2 lines. The first is so we're playing B, 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 C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, D, 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 up to F sharp. Again that is. And the second line is so we're playing B, 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 C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, D, D, and then we're going to the lower D. So again that is. So that is it for the pre-chorus. Let's play it again. Now we can move on to the chorus, and this is how it sounds. first line of the chorus is so we're playing D, E, E, D, E, E, D, E, E, D, E, F sharp, A, B. So again that is the second line is so it's the same line again. D, E, E, D, E, E, D, E, E, D, E, F sharp, A, B. The next line is so it is D, D, E, F sharp, A, G, F sharp, E, 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 D. The next line is D, E, F sharp, A, G, F sharp, E, 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 D. The next line is G, F sharp, D, E, E, D, E, E, D, E, E, D, E, F sharp, A, B. And the final line of the chorus is so it's D, E, F sharp, and then the higher A, B. So that is the chorus. Let's play it one more time. So after the chorus, the next part to play is verse 2, which is the exact same notes as verse 1, it's just different lyrics. So I'll play that for you now. So that was verse 2, and then after that you can play the pre-chorus and the chorus again, and then the final verse is just a variation of the chorus. So you're playing the start of the chorus, but you don't play the last line, and then you play the whole chorus again but from the third line. So just to make it clearer, I'll put a picture of the notes on the screen, but there's no new notes to play, it's just the order that you're playing them in. So I'll play the final chorus for you now, but also if you want to see all the notes to make it clearer, that's on my website mintmusic.co.uk, so you can check that out, the link will be in the description. But this is the final chorus now. So that is everything for this tutorial. I really hope you found it useful, and if you did, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.